Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video, we will talk about very important WhatsApp feature. So with the help of this feature, you don't have to worry about your WhatsApp contact to keep it in a Gmail or sync it in a mobile device. You don't have to worry about your all those WhatsApp contact. With the help of this, if you are enabling this feature, all those WhatsApp contact will be saved to WhatsApp cloud. So whenever you log into a WhatsApp web or in a new device or in some another phone, this contact will get automatically sync, but only the WhatsApp contact will be sync, not the WhatsApp chat. So how to enable this, I will show you in my mobile screen. Open your WhatsApp settings, then go to privacy. This is available for both Android and iOS. Then you need to search for a contacts. Click on this, and I have already enabled this. You need to enable this toggle. So you have to make it green. So see, if I will try to disable this, you can read. This will delete all contact saved to your WhatsApp account. Okay, so if you are enabling this, all those contact will be saved to WhatsApp account, or we can say in the WhatsApp server. So I hope you will find this video useful.